A visual and tightness test of the gas measurement system must be performed once a month. To do this, check the connectors and the gas cylinder hoses. Sensors must be checked every 3 months at minimum, including functional testing and verification of accuracy. These checks are performed using the appropriate test gas and a suitable flow regulator, ideally with flow display. If auto standby is activated, standby must be deactivated before functional testing of the gas sensors is performed. Deactivate standby by pressing the red off button on an integrated gas measurement device or the green on button on a standalone device. Functional testing can begin when all measurement values are displayed. If your B-Detection Plus gas measurement system is integrated into your compressor, connect the test gas cylinder to the test gas intake of your BAUER compressor. To check the sensors in a standalone B-Detection Plus device, detach the gas hose from the measurement gas intake and connect the hose of the test gas cylinder. Set the flow rate of the flow regulator so that the ball reaches the third line of the flow display. Now wait for a minimum of 3 minutes until the measurement values displayed are stable. Once stable, the measurement values displayed by the bead control unit can be compared to the values on the test gas cylinder. If the values displayed by the control unit deviate from those shown on the test gas cylinder by more than the permitted amount, the sensors must be recalibrated. Please note the tolerance threshold of the individual sensors. When testing the VOC sensor, please note that the values on the test gas cylinder are shown in parts per billion, ppb, but the sensor shows milligram on cubic meters. Before functional testing, check the threshold settings for individual sensors to ensure that the sensor alarms will be triggered if the thresholds are exceeded. To check the flow rate, compare the differential pressure shown by the bead control with the target levels shown in the operating instructions. If your B-Detection Plus has a fully automatic purging valve, please ensure this function is likewise checked. Check the purging valve function by establishing the differential pressure deviation. When the purging valve is closed, the differential pressure must be a minimum of 6 mB higher than the value reached by the opened purging valve. If your sensors require calibration or replacement, contact your BAUER service partner. You can also use the B app to locate a certified service partner in your area.